How to delete all archived stories on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear your entire stories archive at once on Instagram. First, open Instagram on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Archive from the options near the top. In the next step, make sure Stories Archive is selected from the dropdown at the top of the screen. Following this, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the archive page. Once done, tap on Delete All to delete every archived story at once. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. All your archived stories will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you delete all your archived stories, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.